what's up? My name is Isla, and oh my gosh, today, if you guys don't see, it's snowing. Okay, so yeah, okay, so I just wanted to go outside and show you guys the really fun snow. Oh my god. So yeah, and let's go. So there's actually this like little mountain over here that I feel like climbing. So yeah, let's go. Okay. Yeah, this is sturdy enough, guys. Okay. Woo-hoo. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm on, guys. I'm on. Whoop. Guys, okay, that was so fun. Look, okay, I'm on top of the world, and yeah, so let's jump. Okay. Oh my gosh, I jumped, guys! Yay! Okay, I'm really happy that it's actually snowing. I think it actually snowed 3 times this winter, and yeah, so this is like really fun, guys. This is like so many big snowflakes. Guys, like, have you guys ever had the feeling where there's like no, where you guys actually, like, when you put your tongue out and then like no snow comes on? Well, that's what happens to me sometimes. It's not coming, it's just coming to my eyelashes. Oh my god, one got on my tongue. It was like that white thing. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, I caught a big snowflake on my tongue. Guys, yay! Ah, there's a one on my hand. Guys, if you guys always want a fresh snack, snow is always good. Yay! So yeah, guys, look. It's so cool outside. Look! Oh, anyway, okay. These are like all my footsteps. Okay, guys, this is the most fun thing ever. Really cold. So, yeah, guys, this wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel if you guys don't want to miss any of my videos. Goodbye!